I'm Creativecrambo, back with another one.
Yeah, in this video I'm going to show you the easiest way how to put a curtain pole up. This one here is a brushed steel. It's got two nice little balls on the end as well, nice diamond ball things at the end. And only comes with a little Allen key. There's a little grub screw on there to fix them on. We've got 3 brackets here. 1, 2, 3. Some plugs, screws. You're going to need a hammer. I don't need them plugs now, I'll use the ones we got. That's a 6mm drill bit as well for the small plugs. Also as well, the curtain pole came with these rings, but the curtains that the wife's got are, they've got the rings, they've got the holes out there already, so we don't need them. But they come with the pole. And the first thing you want to do is measure your curtains. I've measured mine to the right height. But what I normally do first is, from your reveal there, I'll just plumb that up, make a line down there. I'll do the same on this side. Just going to go past that there a little bit, just plumb out there, inside your reveal. And then normally I'll go about 4 inches, 100mm in from the reveal. I'll just put a mark there for now. I'll just put a mark up there for now. 100mm, 4 inches past the window reveal there. And then what I'm going to do is find the centre. So I've already measured the window, divided by 2, that's going to be the half of the window. That's going to be there, so I'm going to mark up the middle of the window, which is there. Now, the curtains we've got are going to be, there's going to be a little bit of a gather on the floor, a little bit of gather on the bottom, so I'll allow for that. Now, I'm just going to measure off with the brackets. We've only got 3 brackets, so the curtain's going right down to the floor there. I need to be there. Right. That's going to be the bottom of my bracket. And then all I'll do is put a level line across there. This is for the brackets. So that's going to be the underside of the bracket there. Nice and steady there. Okay, put a mark there. Mark that off there. Do this other end one. Same again. Make sure you're going through nice and level. There you go. Okay, the next process now will be to drill out for your brackets, and we'll get those on. Yeah, so I've gone 4 inches past the reveal of the window there. I'm just going to join these lines through now. I've just pulled that line down a little bit. I'm just going to join these lines through. That's going to be where my bracket's going to be. So bracket's gone 4 inches past the reveal there. And I'll do the same on that side. Yeah, so it's time to drill out for your brackets now. Like I said, 6mm there, masonry drill bit there. The plug's only small, so I only need to go in about 1 inch. I think I'm going to need a better drill, because I know for a fact I think there'll be a concrete lintel in there. So this little bad boy, yeah, is not strong enough. So I'm going to get the big drill out and go right through. Yeah, so I'm going to go with a more powerful drill now. Also as well, I've changed the drill bit in there now. I'm going to go brown plugs in there. I know there's a concrete lintel in there. I can just feel the concrete lintel. So I'm going to use a 7mm drill bit there with some brown plugs. A little bit more stronger job. That's loads better. Let me get that in there. And with your bracket, get the first one in. I'm actually going to use a screwdriver for this because it's really tricky. What you tend to find is that your drill will just snag up on the front of that, so just a screwdriver for this one. Okay, nice and tight. Make sure it's nice and square there to my line. Oh, nice little turn there, I think, on that one. Yes! That's it. What I'll do the same there again on them two. That'll be a nice strong job. Yeah, so with your nice fancy end bit, you normally get a little grub screw there, and that's just going to fit over your pole. And then they also supply you with a little Allen key like that, and then you just put that on there with the Allen key, tighten that up. I'll put these on first because not only that, it's really close to the wall there, so it's going to just be easier to put this on first, like that. It's nice and tight, and then what I'll do is the same on the other end. So that's how you fit them. Yeah, so on this particular curtain pole here, with these brackets, there's an adjustment on the top you can make, which is that screw there, and that allows the pole to come out a little bit from there. And at the back here, that one there, you have a tighten up screw as well, so that'll tighten up your pole to your bracket. Yeah, curtain pole all up. Curtains are all there nice now as well. Like I said, they have the rings in there as well, so they just slide over your pole. So you can have either nice little ball on the end, dripping down nice. Length's perfect as well there, just slightly off the floor there I made them. That's what you wanted, and yeah, through there as well, pole nice. That's the brush steel pole. And again, at the end there, I've just put the eye there right at the very end. And that's it, lovely. Nice job. Nice easy way to put up a curtain pole.
Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Turn on notifications. And I'll see you in the next one.